Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. With the holiday season in full swing, it's that magical time of the year when we not only celebrate but also look for opportunities to set ourselves up for success in the coming year. Today, I'm thrilled to share something that could seriously transform your online business game. Something I came across and immediately thought, I need to let my viewers know about this. It's called the Christmas PLR Firesale, and trust me, it's not your ordinary holiday deal. So, let me tell you a quick backstory. A few years ago, I struggled with finding ways to generate consistent income online. I knew I needed products to sell, but creating something from scratch? Oh boy, it was overwhelming. The research, the content creation, the graphics, it felt like a never-ending project. If you've been there, you know what I mean. But then I discovered private label rights, or PLR, and it was a total game changer. Fast forward to today, and now I can confidently say PLR products have saved me so much time and effort while helping me grow my online business. Now, when I stumbled upon this Christmas PLR Firesale, I was blown away. It's like a dream come true for anyone looking to start or scale their online business. You're getting 12 high-quality PLR packages and 8 unrestricted PLR packs at an insane discount, 77% off. And we're not talking about just any PLR products. These are professionally done, ready to sell, and in-demand packages that cater to some of the hottest niches out there. Let's break down what makes this deal so special. First, the unrestricted PLR packages. These are pure gold. For example, there's the WordPress Mastery Kit, which is perfect for entrepreneurs and creators who want to launch a product quickly. Then there's the Keto Cooking Firesale, loaded with over 100 HD recipe videos and editable materials. If you're in the health niche or know someone who's into keto, this is a no-brainer. One of my personal favorites is the Kids Story Mega Pack. It comes with 50 engaging video stories, 50 eBooks, and editable e-cover files. Imagine branding this as your own and marketing it to parents or educators. It's such a thoughtful product that brings value while being incredibly easy to set up. And the cooking video library? Oh my goodness. With 200 HD videos, 50 recipe ebooks, and 800 cooking articles, this pack is a powerhouse for anyone in the food niche. Whether you want to start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just sell this content outright, the possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget the 12 high-quality PLR packages included in this fire sale. These are designed for some of the most trending niches, from email marketing with AI to YouTube channel profits, stress management, and even beginner guides to vegan lifestyles. Each package is a complete business in a box. They come with guides, promotional materials, and everything you need to hit the ground running. Here's what I love about PLR products, especially these. They eliminate the hardest part of creating a product. All the research, writing, graphic design, and promotional content, it's already done for you. All you have to do is brand it, market it, and sell it as your own. You keep 100% of the profits, and you build an asset for your business. Now let's talk value. For just $67, you're getting thousands of dollars worth of content. I've seen single PLR packages priced higher than that, and here you're getting 20%. Plus, the unrestricted PLR means you have the freedom to edit, rebrand, and sell however you want. It's like having your own product creation team working for you without the hefty price tag. I also want to highlight the niches covered in this fire sale. They're not just trending, they're evergreen. Health, fitness, AI, kids content, and even positive living are niches that consistently attract audiences year-round. So you're not just buying products, you're investing in tools that can generate income for years to come. The best part? It's risk-free. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. No questions asked, but honestly, with everything included in this deal, I can't imagine anyone not being thrilled with their purchase. So, here's my advice. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Deals like this don't come around often, and when they do, they tend to disappear fast. If you've ever wanted to start an online business or boost the one you already have, this is the perfect time to take action. All right, guys, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about this Christmas PLR Firesale. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.